Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with a fresh leaf because the gel's potency drops quickly. Wash it to remove dirt, then trim the base and spines to avoid bitterness. Once done, slice the leaf lengthwise, hold it steady, and use a spoon to separate the clear gel from the green rind. Make sure to collect only translucent gel, not the yellow sap. That sap can irritate skin. Transfer the gel into a clean bowl and move straight to blending to get a smooth texture for easy application. You now blend the gel for 30 to 45 seconds to break down fibers and achieve a lotion-like consistency. Avoid overwhipping because foamy gel absorbs poorly. If you want longer shelf life or extra skin benefits, add 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil or 1 teaspoon glycerin per half cup of gel and blend briefly. Those act as antioxidants and humectants. Once blended, strain through a fine sieve if fibers remain, and test a small wrist patch to check feel and irritation before bottling. You finish by transferring gel into an airtight container, label it with the date, and refrigerate. Fresh gel keeps about 1 week. Freezing in ice cube trays gives preserved single-use portions. Make sure to use clean utensils each time to avoid contamination. If the gel browns or smells off, discard immediately because oxidation indicates spoilage. And if skin stings or shows redness, rinse thoroughly, stop use, and apply a cool compress. If reaction persists, consult a clinician for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.